All right, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to today's explainer. Today we're looking at a highly structured, super precise roadmap to something, well, something we pretty much all think about: financial freedom. My absolute goal here is to be your personal exploratory guide. We're going to break down this blueprint and show you exactly how to build a rock-solid, reliable action plan for your financial future.
So, how do we build a plan for financial freedom? It's a huge, direct question, right? And frankly, a pretty daunting one. We all want that financial independence, sure, but creating a blueprint that actually works for you individually, that can feel totally overwhelming. So instead of relying on vague ideas, we're going to explore a customized, actionable architecture to answer this question literally from the ground up.
You know, it is so easy to fall into the trap of taking general advice. Those quick tips and cookie-cutter rules you see everywhere that sound great, but honestly, they lack real substance. They just don't account for your personal nuances or actual market realities. True financial freedom absolutely cannot be built on that. Instead, it really has to be rooted in precise scientific foundations. To create a plan that's actually a game changer, we have to deliberately ditch generic tips and root our strategy in rigorous, grounded knowledge. Which brings us to our core framework, an explicit, three-step foundational roadmap. Step 1, building the knowledge base. Step 2, extracting the steps. And step 3, review and evaluation. It's a highly methodical approach, taking us straight from gathering theoretical knowledge to crafting your personalized action plan. All right, step 1, embarking on the knowledge base. Think of it like starting with a completely empty notebook. Before we do anything else, we really need to feed it with correct, proven knowledge. Enter the sources board. Just think of this as your designated space to gather information. It's a place to upload articles or summaries of highly regarded financial books. By having a specific, super organized place to collect all this, we ensure our eventual action plan is rooted in actual, documented expertise, not just guesswork. It basically acts like a filter, tuning out all that daily financial noise and leaving you with just the absolute highest quality data. So what actually belongs on this board? Well, you want specialized articles, or absolute classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Psychology of Money. These aren't just random books, right? They clearly explain the fundamental laws of wealth, making them literally the perfect starting point to fill up that empty notebook and lay a rock-solid foundation. Moving right along to step 2, turning knowledge into steps. Because let's be honest, it's not enough to just sit there and read passive theory. We have to actively shift gears from being a reader to being a builder. And this is where the magic really happens, extracting a list of smart financial tasks and decisions suited specifically to your situation. All that knowledge you've gathered, it gets rigorously analyzed and filtered just for you. It's all about taking those grand theories of wealth and translating them into daily actionable tasks that actually make sense for your specific life and your specific goals. This translation from abstract theory to tangible reality, that's exactly where most people get stuck. But this step actively bridges that gap. Which naturally leads us to our final step, review and evaluation to create a structured action plan. Those tasks we just extracted can't just float around in your head. They need to be meticulously organized to ensure the plan is actually executable day in and day out. To achieve this level of organization, we use a specialized tool called the Studio Board. You can kind of think of the sources board from earlier as your library and the Studio Board as your workshop. It takes all those raw ideas and turns them into a highly organized action plan. And because it's based entirely on your gathered sources, every single step can be traced right back to your scientific foundation. No more guessing, you are executing a proven strategy. So what is your very first step to begin? Well, remember that metaphorical notebook of ours is currently empty. We simply cannot skip straight to the studio board without filling up the sources board first. We've got to take immediate action to add content so our eventual plan is firmly grounded and, most importantly, trustworthy. Which leaves us with a pretty provocative question. Would you like to do a fast research? It's an open invitation to kickstart your journey right now to find the absolute best resources on the laws of wealth and fill up your board. Looking at this whole roadmap, are you ready to take that very first step today? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this blueprint has empowered you with a clear, logical path forward.